To accept crypto payments with Coinbase Commerce, start by creating a Coinbase account if you don't already have one. This will be the foundation for your crypto payment system. Once you have a Coinbase account, navigate to the Coinbase Commerce website and click on Get Started. You will be prompted to log in with your existing Coinbase account credentials. After logging in, you will be taken to the Coinbase Commerce dashboard where you can set up your business profile. Fill in the required information such as your business name, description, and website URL. This information will be used to create an invoice for your customers. Next, connect your bank account or cryptocurrency wallet to Coinbase Commerce. This will allow you to receive and manage your cryptocurrency payments. You can connect a variety of wallets including Coinbase Wallet, MetaMask, and Ledger Live. Now, create a payment button or link that your customers can use to send crypto payments. You can customize the button with your business logo and preferred cryptocurrency. Coinbase Commerce supports a range of cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. To integrate the payment button into your website, simply copy and paste the provided code into your website's HTML. You can also use the Coinbase Commerce API to integrate crypto payments into your existing e-commerce platform. When a customer makes a payment, they will be redirected to the Coinbase Commerce checkout page where they can review the invoice and send the payment. Once the payment is confirmed, the funds will be transferred to your connected wallet or bank account. To ensure the security and legitimacy of your crypto payments, make sure to verify your business and comply with all relevant laws and regulations. Coinbase Commerce provides a range of tools and resources to help you manage and track your crypto payments, including real-time transaction updates and detailed payment reports. By following these steps, you can easily accept crypto payments with Coinbase Commerce and start expanding your customer base to the growing community of cryptocurrency users. With its user-friendly interface and robust security features, Coinbase Commerce makes it easy to get started with crypto payments and start growing your business today.